All right, guys, what's up? Jason at KiloWattRC. I'm gonna run the 16S Losi today. Do some top speed. I'm at 21 ESC, Castle 2535, 520 kV, KiloWattRC Overkill 10.4 packs. All right, let's see how we can do. Earlier I came out here and it was so wet. I had no traction. See if we can do better today. I mean, better now. Still a little wet. A little better though. Still a little wet though. All right, let's give it a shot. Oh. Looks like the ESC shut off. Motor's pretty hot from that one run. '88. That was a wild run, man. Damn. 88, we'll take it. That was a wild run, man. Man, oh man. Hopefully the ESC has data. That was a nice run, man. I was liking that run. Oh, we do have the run. Nice. 58 volts at 476 amps. How many watts is that? Tools, calculator. 58 multiply 476, 27,000 watts. That was a wild pull. Wild pull. All right, well, yeah, here you go. KiloWattRC lipos, Castle 2535, Mad 21 16S ESC, Losi 5B. We'll be back, all right? We'll be back. All right, peace. Hey, what's up, guys? I guess we'll run it again. Missing part of the wing. Let's see how good she runs without the wing. I can only imagine it'll be worse than it was earlier, but let's just run it again. Not a big deal. All right, hopefully we don't pop anything. That was a pretty nasty wreck, man. Surprised she's still running. That was a very nasty wreck. Maybe surprised if something's broken I don't know about. Well, that's the point of this channel. I take the risk, you guys come to watch. I just can't get a break. Just can't get a break today, huh? That was a 75. Well, it looks like I messed up this rear bulkhead. I pulled these bottom, I pretty much broke the whole bulkhead. That bulkhead, I gotta replace that. I'm gonna replace that, get that wing fixed. But man, this thing is wild, man. I don't know if I wanna run this anymore. It's too wild. All right, so second pass in the grass with the CrASH. 58 volts at 470 amps. Well, it's still around 27,600 watts. 27,600 watts to horsepower.
27,600 watts is equal to 37.012 mechanical horsepower.
Yeah, we're pushing pretty good, guys. We're gonna figure this setup out, because this is pretty wild with this motor. I bent the motor mount a little bit on that first CrASH, so I bent it back for the second pass, and then we had another CrASH, so we got to change that bulkhead. I'm gonna see something with this motor mount. It's a cheap motor mount. It's a dual motor mount, you know. But yeah, awesome setup. Mac components, MAD 21 ESC 16S Castle 2535 motor, KiloWattRC lipos. I mean, wow, 27,000 watts on just such an easy pass. Almost 40 horsepower. But yeah, this thing is an animal, dude. All right, Vidvon, I guess we're gonna need another wing. All right, guys, thank you for watching. You guys take it easy. Peace out.